To add Tailwind, it's quite simple. If you go to our docs at docs.redwestk.com and you go to the guides on the left under front-end development, you'll see the Tailwind CSS guide. The first step would be to install this, already installed it. So simply run your favorite package manager, install Tailwind CSS, and the Vite Tailwind plugin. The next step after you've installed this is to add this as a plugin to our Vite config. So I'm going to go to the viteconfig.mts file, which you'll find in the root of the project. And you'll see here that I've already imported Tailwind CSS. So this is exactly from the guide. The next step, I would have added the environments. So I'm adding the environments for the server-side render. And then the last thing is to actually put in the Tailwind plugin that we've imported. So we've imported the Tailwind plugin and we've added it. Right, and then after this, you would actually have to go and create a new file, styles or whatever you want to call it, style.css, and import Tailwind to that file. So let's create this in the app directory. So we go to source app, and you'll see I've already created the file, styles.css. I've added the Tailwind import. And then our very last step is to use the style sheets. So our application has access to this. So in the document file, go back to document, you'll see right at the top, I'm importing the styles, import styles from styles.css to CSS. And then in the header, I'm just adding the link to the style sheet. So the href is this import that we do here. And if I start my server again, and I've entered the application, we should notice that there's a difference in our styles because Tailwind has been loaded and it does have some default styles. So you can see it's looking quite different. And I did actually go ahead and added a style to the header. So I'll remove this, or let's add a color to this. I'll add a red. So, and if I refresh it, we should see. Okay, so Tailwind's working. We can now make it look nice.